A warm greeting to everyone. I welcome you all to the celebration of Van Mahotsav by Lucknow Public School, Sector D. Let's explore the origin of Van Mahotsav. Van Mahotsav is an annual tree planting festival in the month of July. During this festival, thousands of trees are planted all over India. In 1950, it was started by K.M. Munshi, the Union Minister for Agriculture and Food at that time. It was started to create awareness in the mind of people for the conservation of forest and planting of new trees. Van Mahotsav is celebrated as a festival of life. In India, it was started as a crusade to save Mother Earth. The name Van Mahotsav means the festival of trees. It began in the July 1947 after a flourishing tree plantation drive was undertaken in Delhi, in which national leaders like Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru participated. The festival was simultaneously celebrated in the number of states in India. But we all are destroying nature. Human activity is the main reason for disappearance of trees, primarily through deforestation, land use changes, and forest management practices. The researchers said these affects the contribution for the loss of 15 billion trees worldwide. Humans have directly altered it at least 70% of Earth's land, mainly for ground growing plants and keeping animals. These activities necessitate deforestation, the degradation of land, loss of biodiversity, and pollution, and they have the biggest impact on the land and the fresh water in ecosystem. How we can save nature? We can save nature through various process, by the reduce of water conservation, reduce of electricity, new uh, by use of agricultural method, and by spreading awareness. So here we are, the students of Lucknow Public School, which are going to show how we celebrated Van Mahotsav by plantation drive.
वृक्ष लगाए हम वृक्ष वृक्ष लगाए हम वृक्ष वृक्ष लगाए हम वृक्ष आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष लगाएं आओ मिलकर हम वृक्ष लगाएं धरती माँ का कर्ज चुकाएं धरती माँ का कर्ज चुकाएं वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष हरी हरी हरियाली हो जीवन में खुशहाली हो हरी हरी हरियाली हो जीवन में खुशहाली हो ऐसा अपना लक्ष्य बनाए ऐसा अपना लक्ष्य बनाए जगह जगह हम वृक्ष लगाएं जगह जगह हम वृक्ष लगाएं वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष लक्ष्य बनाएं हम लक्ष्य वृक्ष लगाएं हम वृक्ष
I think I shall never see a poem lovely as a tree. The tree which looks at the god all day and lifts her leafy arm to pray, upon whom the blossom of snow was lain, who intimately lives with the rain. Poems can be created by humans like me, but only God can make the beautiful creation such as tree. Everyone, please create awareness in your family and in a society so people can understand how gifted we are because tree and our mother nature are the sole reason why we exist. So save tree and save lives.
वह जन्मा वहीं, वह पला वहीं, जिसने अपने दिल का दर्द कभी किसी से कहा नहीं। उसी जगह वह खेला, देखा जहाँ से उसने पूरी दुनिया का खेला। मानो वह बन गया हो उसी जगह का चेला। करता रहता अपने सारे काम निस्वार्थ भावना से, पीता हर विष बड़े ही चाव से। ऐसा कोमल दिल है जिसका, फिर भी कोई सगा नहीं है उसका। हर हाल में जानता है वह खुश रहना, ईश्वर के रूप के लिए। मेरा तो बस आप सभी से यह कहना, तुम्हारे स्वरूप में कितनी निर्मलता है। ऐसे स्वरूप को समझने का सौभाग्य भी कुछ ही लोगों को मिलता है।
पेड़ हमें फूल, सब्जियां आदि देते हैं। हमसे पहले धरती पर पेड़ आए थे। पेड़ हमारे जीवन दाता हैं। हमें पेड़ों को नहीं काटना चाहिए। पेड़ है तो हम हैं। धन्यवाद।
Good evening. I am Siddhi, student of Lucknow Public School. This is my garden and I am present here to show about some plants. Let's start with tulsi. This is tulsi. It is a holy plant mostly used by Hindus. It has many antioxidants which is good for our health. This is rose. It is mostly used in occasions to decorate our homes, schools and colleges, etc. etc. This is curry leaves. It is mostly present in foods. It is packed with carbohydrates, calcium, iron, vitamin like A, C and E. It helps in better functioning of heart and fights with infections too. It is false birds of paradise. Its scientific name is Heliconia rostrata. It leaves store of food and water for many insects and birds. Mostly hummingbirds feed in this. Thank you.